Today we're going to be reviewing basic skeletal anatomy. So much fun. So if you are a beginner, okay, just learning the skeletal system, this video is going to be for you. Okay, let's get started. Here we have the skull, clavicle, sternum. Here we have the anterior ribs. There are 12 ribs, 7 true ribs, 5 false ribs, and 2 floating ribs. From the anterior spine, here you can see the rib 11 and 12 sort of branch off here. Next, we have the humerus radius. The radius is identifiable by that round head there. Also, the radius is on the thumb side, okay, or digit 1, thumb side. Right next to it, we have the ulna. The ulna is pinky side. Okay, so ulna, pinky side, radius, thumb side. The hand is grouped into carpals, wrist bones here, metacarpals, and phalanges. 8 carpals, 5 metacarpals, and 14 phalanges. Altogether, there are 27 bones in the human hand. Okay, so let's review. Again, phalanges, metacarpals, carpals, as in car, like you use your hand to drive your car. Moving proximal now, we have the radius. What's this? Ulna, humerus. Okay, I'm looking at the posterior aspect of Fred here. Skull, spine. The spine is also broken up into regions. We have the cervical portion, okay, that's C1 through C7. The thoracic region, okay, that's T1 through T12. We have the lumbar region, okay, that's L1 through L5, right in here. And we have the sacrum, okay. The sacrum is considered fused vertebrae. That's S1 through S5. It is one bone, okay, one bone. And here at the tail we have the coccyx. That is also considered one bone. However, there can be 3 or more vertebrae on the coccyx. Right in here, coccyx. So we have coccyx, sacrum, the lumbar region, the thoracic region, and the cervical region of the spine. Here we have the scapula. Okay, here we're looking at the pelvis. Next, we have the longest bone in the body. This is the femur. Okay, femur, patella, femur, patella, tibia. Tibia is the medial bone of the leg here. Tibia. And fibula, lateral bone. As you can see, it is much smaller. So tibia and fibula. The feet are grouped very similar to the hands. So here we have the tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Tarsals, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. There are 26 bones in the human foot. There are 126 appendicular bones and 80 axial bones. Say bye, Fred.